In delivered common table, the following filters can be used to navigate and identify the order information. Status filter, which allows sellers to sort orders based on their status. These are in transit, reached destination, and out for delivery. To apply the filter, just click the desired filter box and then click on apply. To remove the filter, you can just uncheck the filter or click on reset. You can also search an order based on its order ID or AWB number. And you can also sort according to selected date. The date filter include today, yesterday, last 7 days, last month, and you can also customize your own set of dates. In delivered common table, you will find all the order details including order ID, order date, payment type, product details, customer details, shipping details, dimension, weight, and action. Each of this section has its own filter to help you navigate and gather the data more efficiently. In order ID, a unique order ID is generated and the seller can use filter in section to find the order based on their ID. Order date allows sellers to find an order based on specific time the order was created. To navigate this section, you can use the order filters that include today, yesterday, last 7 days, last month. You can also customize your own set of dates. Next to it, there is payment type, which can either be cash on delivery or prepaid, and this data can be filtered as well as based on that information. Then there is product detail column, which consists of the name of product, its SKU, its quantity. The filter in the section can be used by entering SKU of the product. In customers details, seller can find information about customers such as the customer name, email address, mobile number. All of the information can be used in the filter. Likewise, in shipping details, the seller can view information such as courier details and AWB number. In dimension weight, the seller can view dimension along with the volumetric weight and the entered weight. And in the action tab, the seller will be able to perform one of the three following functions. View order, a window will pop up and it will display the courier information including courier label, AWB number and contact number along with the order status label. The seller will only be able to view order details such as order number, sub-order number and the order date. Customer details including their full name, company name, mobile number, alternate mobile number, email address, physical address, PIN code, city, state and country. Other details that the seller can only view are product details such as SKU, quantity, price, tax rate, HSN code and discount, and extra charges such as shipping gift wrap, transaction, discount, first discount attempt and type of payment, and the details like reseller name, e-way bill number and GST in number. Next to the view order tab, there is track order window which helps you keep track of the order details.